I'm like that squirrel that drinks coffee and hoodwink. Yeah, baby. Oh, shit, it's inside. The third fucking motor. 6.2 is gonna go in. That's the 4th motor that's ever gonna go in this truck. No more V6. But for now, it's nice to have a daily that doesn't waste too much gas. We're at Joe's shop. We're gonna check out the new motor. Well, one of the motors he was working on a while back, the Corvette. I think it was a 6.8. He says it doesn't have gas.
Yeah, I couldn't use it yet. These are it.
Why not?
Because they haven't shipped me out my thing yet. They haven't got it yet. No fire, but it's real long yet.
It takes what, E85? This is a 6.8 you said, right?
Yeah.
Damn. Can't wait till the 6.2 gets built. Should've just got the should've just started.
I fucking told you that from the beginning.
I didn't have that all shit at the beginning. Hey, if I didn't know I was gonna go through all this damn stress.
And then you go, and then you go, you get a motor or a junkyard motor.
This is mine right now. Can't wait.
Oil and filter.
Okay, so it's ready basically.
Yeah. I'm about to turn it on.
Alright. We need oil and filter. See anything different?
Your haircut on my
Thank you. Alright, let's go.
Being a YouTuber rocks.
What?
You came at the wrong time. He's not here.
Damn, baby, you're almost out. You're almost out. Ya le metí el air filter.
Sí, pero no, que no lo había puesto este porque falta poner la manguera esa. No sé dónde está porque vos sacaste la manguera, ¿no?
Vamos a ver. No? Chinelos. Yeah, it needs the clamp. That's it.
¿El aceite o quién trajo el aceite?
Alright guys, blue is almost ready, but we need a clamp because the little tank that puts like the antifreeze and stuff like that, the clamp is not there, so we need that clamp that has the hose all the way to the radiators. And then blue hopefully will get back on the road today, and then maybe the track, but it looks like it's gonna rain today.
Like from a water hose or all that.
What is the hose?
Like
There's one,
no, that's just that's how thick the hose is.
1 and 1/4. It's gonna be the 1/2 to 1/4.
Half to? Oh.
Yeah.
1/2 to 1/4. You're not gonna have a problem though. I use that on all my trucks.
Yeah, that's all I need is just something to clamp it on.
I use that for all my trucks, so he shouldn't tell you that it's gonna be a
Yeah,
problem.
but like the hose is thick as well, so
No, it's gonna be too big.
this one's gonna be too small. Something like no fuck.
You're one of those.
And you're one of those. That's
Maybe
too
this one.
big. That's like the one that he had showed you that.
Yeah, but I mean it goes all the way. F it. Come on.
I'm gonna buy this just so I can shut him up. You better.
I'm just trying to be sure. I ain't trying to come back. That's like maybe any radiator fluid,
Antifreeze.
antifreeze, antifreeze. Keep freezing.
están tus bujías, ahorita no las voy a poner todavía, después las pongo.
Ok, esos son los NGK. Aquí estamos.
They're tight. They're
Sure.
gonna be too big, bro.
Huh?
I think that's gonna be too big because that's the same one that he
I
showed
mean,
me.
yeah, but I was just looking at it like, I'm not just trying to go over there and just kind
Unless-
of look. I mean, a little
unless-
short.
Unless he wants to put this one, I mean, and then just cut off the rest.
¿Cuál piensas que está más mejor? Chingale. Okay, now I know.
A ver si ya está
Worst case
también.
scenario, at least this one will go all around. Oh well. You won this round, Johnny, from the valley. That rhymed. Estamos. Okay.
Púnsalo, ¿sabes qué?
¿Qué cortó el pelo? ¿Ya le puso el hoyo? I should have brought it. ¿Quiere meter?
Yeah.
Past news advert.
Tenemos que echarle agua. Alright guys, well, I'm learned today. And another thing with the clamp, take away the smart. I'm overthinking stuff because I want this truck to run already and take it to the track. But also I can't take it to the track and run it until I take the tune off the turbo. I almost forgot about that. So I gotta take it to Caesars, probably make it a street tune, just put like a regular tune.
Mine was always just a basic one.
'Cause I never did a tune on there. Like, the only tune that I ever put on this truck was just for the turbos. I always wanted to know what the truck can do with just a simple tune.
That's what I have for all my builds, just basic tune.
H2O. Alright guys, I have the NGK cold spark plugs, like a 7 basically, but we're gonna keep the originals, the ones that came with this motor. We're gonna turn it on right now and see what happens. Está muerto. Just hit one second.
Este va.
I want to put this back on so bad. There's a fun fact. Today is September 11th, and I got my, literally this is the fun fact. I bought my truck on September 11th, 2014. So it's kind of weird that I got my truck that day and now I'm getting my truck again. I just want my daily back. I mean, I'm gonna work on some other projects, but I really need my daily.
Big things coming up.
Oh, there's more big things coming. I'm gonna say it once, but I'm not sure. I got a couple of friends that they've been showing me the 2017 front end in blue. So, should I add that? What? Think it's a bad idea? Thinking about it.
Work on the mods first, then the looks. Why are you gonna go for looks?
Because I'm not gonna work on the mods on this one now until I get the 6.2 back on here. Alright guys, so little blue is done. We're just gonna put the hood back on here the correct way. Put the little bar right here. Alright guys, well I'm here at Alex's shop at Exclusive. Finally everything is done. Now I understand the importance of having a daily and not wanting to mess with it. It really did suck for this truck. I don't know, like maybe when I go to Caesars and take the tune off for the turbo, maybe I'll just put a simple street tune, something not too crazy or something like that, but we'll just see. I'm trying to for the turbo, but it's more to it than I thought. I have to put a little bit more money into it, so I'll let you guys know if I decide in the future, maybe like in a month, if I'm going to it or sell it, because I need to make money so I can start on the 6.2 build. That's, you know, I can't do it all, guys. Alright Alex, it's a done deal. Done deal. Finally little blue gets to go back on the road, because I do love performance more than looks. But Freddie's still gonna help me out with the cow tracks and the rear diff, I believe. I'm still gonna go over there and talk to him about that, and we're still gonna do that fight, right?
Over the brakes?
For the brakes and the rotors, performance rotors. So I feel like I'm just gonna do more looks for Little Blue, and right now I'm talking to some people about the C10. So if it comes to performance,
And the wheels too, we gotta get the wheels.
oh yeah, it's 610 Wheels and Tires is still gonna be sponsoring me for some wheels. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is, but trust me, I picked them out and I love them. I'll give you a hint, it's kind of like Freddy's, but it's not like Freddy's. So we're gonna go over there, a new merch shirt, because a friend of mine just wanted to buy a new merch. I'm not wearing it right now. Should have worn it. I couldn't find it. I gotta wash them. I only have 2, red and blue. So yeah, thanks Alex. It's been a pleasure. I've been here. I'm sorry that I've been bugging you most of the time, but you know, when you have your only ride, you got nothing.
No worries.
All right, guys. I'll try my best to give you guys better content. Woo! Oh, I did. Don't put a turbo on stock internals. But I mean, I think it can still handle it. We're still gonna be testing that theory out for real one day, but not right now. And my beauty's back on the road. I am so glad. What I'm planning to do with the truck is wheels, maybe take off the dents, maybe buff it, put some cow tracks, put the rear diff on here, change the headlights, clean the interior. I got so many videos. I got so much that I want to do on these videos now. But I know for sure that I'd rather just work on the C10. I'm probably gonna take it out. It's been in my house for like a year already. Happy. Oh yes. He told me to leave the AC on for maybe an hour or so. Good thing I have a lot of gas. Bad thing I have E85, so it wastes fast. So I have to, like, technically I can't really step on it right now like I want to, but the tune for the turbo is still on this thing, so I have to take it to Caesar and put a basic tune or yeah.